For the last 10 months, Houston police have been testing cutting-edge technology that could potentially get criminals off the streets faster.
It's a machine that runs DNA tests in 90 minutes. Normally, that takes days, weeks, even months in the lab.
But Stephanie Whitfield found out there is concern about how the new technology will be used.
When crime happens, the clock starts ticking. It's not just about finding the person responsible. Police have to prove it.
Rapid DNA is the future. When mathematicians stopped using abacuses and started using calculators, it's that important to criminal justice.
Houston police launched a pilot program to try out rapid DNA technology last year. Here's how it works. Let's say detectives find a knife at a murder scene. They swab the knife and anyone who might be involved. Then the machine compares the samples, revealing whose DNA is on that weapon in under 2 hours.
These are the type of cases that we want to solve quickly. If we don't get those answers quickly, then we may wait weeks, even months, for those results to come back from the crime lab.
Houston police have used rapid DNA analysis in 60 cases, ranging from aggravated assaults to murders. Have you been able to catch any bad guys?
Yes, we have developed leads, and as well as has been able to eliminate potential suspects from cases, which is equally important.
Rapid DNA is used for investigations only. It cannot be used in court. But some forensic scientists have serious concerns about whether it should be used at crime scenes at all. In fact, the National District Attorneys Association is firmly against it.
The instruments work.
Dr. Peter Stout is in charge of Houston's crime lab.
Everybody, I think, is confident that the instruments work well with large quantities of DNA from a single person. Where we all have questions is as the quantity of DNA gets smaller and you get more mixtures.
The Houston Forensic Science Center says for the pilot program, all items are swabbed by the crime scene unit first, then police second. What happened to this bloodstained piece of glass is another example of what can go wrong. The DNA evidence disappeared.
Somebody had sampled it for the rapid instrument, thinking that we had already done our testing, and when they went back to it, they consumed everything that was there.
Stick it in the computer and it starts comparing.
But despite concerns, the Houston Police Department wants to move forward with this technology.
It's something that should be in every police department.
Why do you feel so confident about that?
I've had to wait 6-8 months for DNA results. I knew who the suspect was. I was just that far away from proving it. With this, I know in 90 minutes. To have that peace of mind that I know that I can take a killer off the street that quick is, you just can't describe it.
You heard HPD wants to use this technology at crime scenes, but the FBI says it should only be used at jail bookings so each suspect's DNA can be run through the national database. Well, in Texas, laws would have to change for that to be possible.
So what's the future of this program with HPD?
That part's up in the air, and a big reason is because this technology is really pricey. They tell me one cartridge, which runs 4 to 5 samples, costs $1,000, and that may not even cover one crime scene.
So we'll have to see what happens here. Thanks, Stephanie.